Ignacio again with another Promogator video. I'm here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. We're showing off our new PromoJet printer. We're going to show you what this printer does, where the substrate sticks to, and how it can help you promote your business. If you're a reseller, we're going to share the links of how you can acquire this film that works on a ton of different substrates. And also, if you're interested in acquiring the printer and joining our printer network, we're going to let you know also on this video. So if you like our content, please help our channel like and subscribe. So get ready for this awesome video.
Our new technology allows you to print on a wide variety of substrates, including ceramics, metals, powder-coated metals, glass, soft and hard plastic, and even stainless steel. We print white CMYK with a gloss varnish. Check out how it looks on these beautiful tequila bottles. The possibilities are endless. With PromoJet, you can expect printing speeds 4 times as fast as traditional printing methods. Enjoy lower maintenance costs since you are only printing the film. The great thing about the PromoJet is that there is no jigs needed. You print and you're done. What you can create on the PromoJet is up to your imagination. With thousands of uses and applications, the possibilities are endless. The great thing about our machine is as soon as you're done printing and it's off the press, there is no drying time. The UV lamp dries the ink, as you can see here, and once it's laminated, you're ready to go. There are no jigs needed. Just cut and press and you're all set. Start customizing thousands of items with the PromoJet. Just imagine how this machine can not only increase production, but increase your profits for your business. You can safely cut your transfers with a pair of scissors or a professional paper cutter. You don't need to make any of the cuts straight since there's no weeding. The machine prints only what's going to be transferred and applied onto your final product. Once you have your transfer cut out, just pull the liner and you're ready to go. It's very simple to apply these professional UV transfers onto anything. As you can see here, we're getting ready for the Super Bowl. Just apply the transfer, put a little bit of pressure, and you're good to go. You're going to notice that you will have to peel the liner to complete the process. Start by peeling it slowly. Once you get across, you're all set. The application looks beautiful. Now give it a scratch. They're permanent. One of the best things about this machine is that you'll never need any jigs since you're printing on the transfer film. Enjoy print speeds up to 4 times as fast from traditional UV printing methods with the new Epson i3200U print heads. The PromoJet is equipped with 3 staggered heads, which will let you print inline white, CMYK, and varnish. Check out the end result. Increase your business today by offering new and exciting products that you've never offered before. Print on those really hard to print surfaces with ease. Just print, cut, and apply, and you're all set. Start making money with PromoJet. If you are in the business for customizing products, or your product needs to have a logo of any sort, as long as it's a hard surface, you can customize it with our machine. This is not a sticker, it's a high quality UV application. Requires no weeding. And check it out, it's permanent. This is a game changer for print on demand companies, awards companies, promotional products companies. Any company that requires logos put onto items, this machine will help you. As long as it's a hard surface, you could print it. Works on boxes, bags, and packaging, and even glass. Check out these vibrant logos, printed and tested with our printer. If you want to learn more about our company and what we have to offer, please send us an email or you can call us toll free. We can answer any questions that you might have. Let us know if this machine is right for you.